Good morning, students. Our next topic of the second unit is timber extraction and its effect on the rural tribes. But before discussing about that, we will discuss the evil consequences of deforestation. लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने डिफॉरेस्टेशन के बारे में पढ़ा था कि डिफॉरेस्टेशन के क्या कॉजेज होते हैं, इससे क्या वो होता है. तो अब इसके जो बैड इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं, एडवर्स इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं, और वी कैन से लाइक एविल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज दैट विल बी डिस्कसिंग. With deforestation, ecological balance maintained by nature breaks away. Floods or droughts are the terrible consequences of deforestation. The trees increase rainfall of an area as well as conserve the water which falls on the ground rain. Consequent to deforestation, the plant reduces evaporation, allowing water to remain in solid for a long time, जिससे पूरा वाटर साइकिल बिगड़ जाता है, रेन का जो सिस्टम है वो बिगड़ जाता है, इससे ड्रॉट आने के चांसेस रहते हैं. इन आवर कंट्री unabated deforestation, overgrazing and the growing hunger for land has hit the ecology of India badly. If it goes on, we may soon have more of wasteland and deserts than the productive lands. Large-scale deforestation has badly affected the weather. Adverse effect on productivity. It is noticed that devastating effect of deforestation in India include the soil, water and wind erosion, estimate to cost over 16,400 crores every year. Deforestation affect productivity of our croplands in ways as under. The deforestation increase the soil erosion, increase manifold. The soil so washed lead to an एक्सेंक्यूएटेड साइकिल ऑफ फ्लड एंड ड्रॉट. तो जो हमारे फ्लड की प्रोडक्ट जो हमारा सॉइल है उसके एरोजन होने की वजह से जो उसमें फर्टाइल न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं वो भी सारे क्या हो जा रहे हैं, इरोड हो जा रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से उसकी प्रोडक्टिविटी कम हो रही है डिफॉरेस्टेशन होने से. डिफॉरेस्टेशन क्रिएट टू यूज़ cow dung and crop waste as fuel mainly for cooking. As a result, no part of the plant goes back to loss in soil fertility. Land erosion and landslides. Deforestation has been causing tremendous land erosion and landslides. Data reflect that about 6,000 million ton of topsoil is lost annually due to water erosion in the absence of trees. Loss worked out from the topsoil erosion in 1973 was rupees 700 crore. The figure for the year 1976, 77, 78 is 889 crore, 1200 crore and 1091 crore respectively. So year by year we are watching that gradually the loss to the government is increasing because of deforestation in the form of landslides and land erosion. And low per capita forest land. As far as per capita forest land is concerned, India today is the poorest in the world. The per capita forest land in India is 0.1 hectare compared to the world average of 1 hectare. Now there is a case study regarding timber extraction जिसमें आपका माइनिंग डैम्स और ये सारी चीज़ें आएंगी एंड इट्स इफेक्ट इन फॉरेस्ट एंड द ट्राइबल पीपल दैट विल बी स्टडिंग. इट इज़ एस्टिमेटेड दैट इंडिया इज़ लूजिंग 15 million hectare of forest cover every year. If this trend continuously remains and it is unchecked, it could take only a period of 9 to 20 years hence to reach to zero forest value in our country. So it is very important to protect our forest and avoid deforestation. During a period of 25 years from 1951 to 1976, India has lost 4.1 million hectare of forest area. Trees have been felled in large number of fuel, fodder, valley projects, industrial use, road construction, etc. India consumes nearly 170 million tons of firewood annually and 10 to 15 million hectares of forest cover is being stripped every year to meet the fuel requirement. So as we can see that because of industrial use, road construction, etc., this kind of extraction is happening, and which leads to loss to our country in terms of its income, also in terms of its natural resources also. The rise in fuel wood consumption can be noticed from the comparative study of the fuel consumption in earlier years. It was 86.3 million ton in 1953. It reached about 135 million ton in 1980. So because of the overconsumption of forests for the purpose of fuel wood, we can see that it is being deforested and washed away every year. और हम ये देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि विद डिकेड्स जो कंजम्पशन है फ्यूल वुड का वो इंक्रीज होते जा रहा है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो 1953 में 18.3 मिलियन टन है, और 1980 में इट इज़ 135 मिलियन टन, और नाउ इन 2020 it has been increased tremendously. During a period of 20 years, forest has been cut for the purpose of agriculture. Here we can see from 24 to 32 lakh hectare, river valley projects, industrial uses, road construction and million uses. So we can see that per hectare, per lakh hectare किन किन पर्पजेस से यूज़ हो रहे हैं जो हमारा फॉरेस्ट हैं. तो फॉरेस्ट आर बीइंग कट डाउन. डिफॉरेस्टेशन जो हो रहा है इन सारी रीजन से हो रहा है. एग्रीकल्चर की वजह से है, रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल यूज, रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड miscellaneous uses हैं इसके. In this way, a total of 3.4 million hectare of forests were lost during this period. The disasters of the heavy deforestation are visible. Nearly 1% of the land surface of India is turning barren every year due to deforestation. In the Himalayan range, the rainfall has declined from 3 to 4% due to deforestation. So that's it about today's lecture, student, in which we discussed about the evil consequences of deforestation. Okay, in which there were adverse effect on the productivity and land erosion, landslides, low per capita income was there. Then there will be a case study which was related to the timber extraction, mining dam and their effect in the forest and tribal people. So we can see that there are a number of reasons because of which deforestation occurred between 51 to 71, and these are the main reasons for that: agriculture, river valley projects, industrial uses, road construction and miscellaneous uses. Thank you, students. Record